Guys, this is Rosie and welcome to my channel, The Stylish Sicilian. Welcome back. Today we're going to be testing out the Dyson Airstrait. My husband actually surprised me with it for our anniversary because he knew I wasn't going to buy it for myself because I think it's too expensive. And if you're wondering what the price is, it's $499.99, aka $500 plus tax. So I told him, no, I don't need it, I don't want it. But he heard me talking about it because one of my good friends, Colleen, had it and I fell in love with it, but not the price. But he insisted. So I said, okay, fine. We'll see how this goes. So I had to share the experience with you. I thought I will test it in front of you guys. Like I said, I did try it once before, but I wanna kind of do this unboxing with you and to show you on camera how it works. And we're gonna decide together, is it actually worth it? Because I still haven't decided if I'm gonna keep it. I'm leaning towards yes, but let's go through it, okay? So let me start with the unboxing. Before I open it, what's nice about this is that it uses like high velocity air instead of hot plates to straighten your hair. So thus avoiding burning your hair, because I swear I style my hair every day for work and I noticed during like the quarantine, my hair grew so long, it was so luscious, so healthy because I never ever did any heat product to it. So I was intrigued because my hair is like not, being luscious and long anymore. And it's also nice is it straightens it from wet to dry. So kind of a nice thing. And it's engineered to literally create like a straight finish. So I thought that was kind of like a cool thing. But yeah, I'm sure you want to see. So that's the cover. Here's the box. Let's open it. I need to get one of those little box cutters. Well, they really make it good. It's kind of cool. It shows you what the inside of it looks like. There it is, the Dyson Airwrap. It kind of looks like a straightener, but it's not technically. Not in the way we think. Oh, that's cool. It comes with a nice little mat to put it on. It looks nice. I always feel like I burn my counter. We have, I assume, what are the instructions, because there are some settings in here that I need to learn. And the cord. So that's the cord, heavy duty. And that's what it looks like. And there's a lock, I believe. And that's what it looks. So you can see the inside of it if you can. It's not a hot plate. It's just got air flow through here. It looks kind of like a hot plate, but you can see that there is somewhere air comes out of. As you can tell, here is the temperature control, and it has 5 temperature settings. And then below it is the airflow speed. So there's 2 speeds. You could go low flow or high flow. This is the cool mode, and this is what you do, I guess, to set your style. So I have to learn more about that. And then the mode. So you can pick here if it's going from wet or from dry, but that like your starting point of styling. And then power on and off. And then on the back, you have your lock, so you can lock it or not. Okay, we have it on and we're setting it to wet to dry. So right now you can see it's set at 285 degrees Fahrenheit. So it says to start here and clamp. So that's one pass, and it kind of stops in between. Okay. So I clamped it. That was like 2 passes. Let me get this little one. Let's just do this whole side over here. Wow. So it does feel nice and toasty, but they say to set it with the cold. So I do that before or after? Select cool mode. Okay, so when I'm done, I can go over it with cool mode. So that's pretty nice. It feels so soft and so smooth. So before I did it, I did put some of my Olaplex number 6 in, just to help. But look at the difference. You can tell. It works. I don't even need to go through it with a straightener, and it feels so soft. I can run my fingers through it so easily. That's insane. Maybe we should just finish one side and then I'll show you. I'll try to show you one more and then we'll speed it up. Speed up this video so you're not sitting here all day. Okay, ready guys? Let's go. 1, 2. You can't do big chunks, I will say, but that's fine. Wow, you can tell, pardon my roots. I need to get my hair done. So I feel like I missed some here. Okay, so I kind of went through it with one pass and it feels pretty good. Let me do one more over here maybe. Wow. I mean, you can get to work on time with this one. There's no being late. I do feel like I need to find more patience though. It's just air going like this into my hair, making it go crazy straight. It's insane. So I will say, you probably need to decide if you're gonna flip it inward or outward to get it to be less slick straight. Today I do want it to be stick straight, so I think that's pretty cool. All right, before I speed up this video, I did forget to mention that this actually is also a blow dryer. All you have to do is close it and lock it, and the air comes out this way. So they say to do it to your roots. Get your roots a little more dry, and then go in and finish the job. All right, let's fast forward. So right there, I did a cool boost, and it kind of actually helps with my flyaways and setting my hair. So that's pretty nice. I never really knew that you were supposed to do that. So I was trying to do it kind of like a little bit more in bulk because I figured that should work fine. I'm gonna do this one hot and then cold. Okay, I'm gonna switch it to cold. So it feels so much smoother. You can tell there's less flyaways. I feel like that's what it would be for. Wow, it like makes it so soft. Who would have known? Been doing my hair wrong all this time. Okay, back to hot. Yeah. I'm actually doing my hair on like a medium. So that's pretty nice because I didn't want it to be too hot. So we're on our last strand. Look at that. All right, let's turn it off. So that is the Airstrait, guys. What do you think? Okay, now, is it worth the money? I think that this is one of those products that you buy as a treat because I personally was getting to the point, like I said, I wasn't gonna buy it. My husband literally forced me, which wasn't a hard force, I will admit, but it's a treat. This is a treat for yourself. And I was debating whether I wanted this or the Airwrap. The Airwrap felt like it was so much money, and I really liked this mainly because of the straightening, like the way it works for straightening, and that it does have a blow dryer because my blow dryer actually died the other day. And I do like the idea of the Airwrap. I just don't think I need all those components. I mainly wanted this. If only the Airwrap came with like an Airstrait component, I would have liked that and like the curl wand. But this to me is still preferable over the Airwrap, but mainly based off my needs. I do like it. I don't think anybody should ever feel like $500 is worth it, but in 2 passes basically my hair was straight, and this whole video is, while I'm filming it, I'm at like minute 14, but I was talking so much of it that the actual time it took me to do my hair was like under 7 minutes. So under 7 minutes, if you're in a rush to get to work, that's pretty great. So my hair was like kind of like towel dried at that point too, so keep that in mind. But I think for me, I'm gonna keep it because I know I'm gonna use it. It's gonna save me time in the morning when I'm getting the kids to school, getting to work on time, but still don't wanna, compromise the quality of like my hair that day. This is a great thing. So nice little treat. You don't need it, but it does work really good, and it's gonna save you from frying your hair if you're like me and you style your hair every day. If you're an everyday hairstyler, this is probably for you. One more shout out to my friend Colleen who got me interested in this. So she also got me interested in this. It's like a multi-purpose dry oil for face, body, and hair, but she got it in France. I was able to find it on Amazon for about $25, I think it is. So it's nice. It's made with 7 precious botanical oils, and it smells like a Parisian perfume. So if you're, not into scents in your hair, you're not gonna like it. But you do a little spray. And I just kind of do that. And I remember some hairstylists in Italy taught me you should always put a little oil in your hair at the tips. Makes it a little bit nicer. And then you smell like a Parisian model. She's gonna love that if she actually watches this video, but it's so nice. So it just kind of helps your hair. I do like my Olaplex oil. I think it works a little bit better, but I think this does the job just fine, and it gives you that nice scent. And then you can put the rest on you so you could smell amazing that day. The other day I had it on and my husband's like, why do you smell so good? And I was like, it's this. So, but yes, I got the 3.3 ounce bottle and it was like 25-ish. So I will link both these products below if you're interested. Again, I do think it's worth getting this Dyson Airstrait if you're someone who straightens your hair every day. You're gonna fry your hair. So this is definitely gonna be a better alternative for your hair long term, which kind of makes you feel better about the cost because it's actually helping your hair. But let me know your thoughts below, what you think. If you like these kind of hair product reviews, I'm not a hairstylist at all, but I do my hair often enough to know if it's gonna work for me or if it's good or whatnot. I'm the everyday average Jane trying these things on, so we're trying them. Thank you again for watching, and if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe box at the end of this video. It helps me become monetized, which means I can actually make money doing this, and I can make better, more exciting content for you. But thank you so much for stopping by, and I'll see you on next week's video. Ciao.